Karma is my boyfriend. Dude, this T-Swift song is so good. I feel like if I ride and listen to it, my wheelies are gonna be so good. So let's do it. Just put on my helmet quick. Ah, that won't work. Ah, that won't work either. What the hell? Is there no way for me to ride and listen to music at the same time?
I have a solution.
Oh really? What's that?
Fill my bowl and you'll find out.
Dude, you're already so fat, are you sure?
You wanna listen and ride, damn it? Fill the bowl.
Okay, okay.
A deal's a deal.
This is the Syphon Soundpro, an in-helmet speaker system so you can listen to music, take calls, all while riding sick wheelies down the street. Syphon is known for having ultra-thin speakers, so they're comfortable in the helmet, great sound up to 115 plus decibels, IPX5 waterproof, built-in mic, glove-friendly controls, 10 plus hour battery, and USB-C charger. And it even comes with ear cushions for those of you with sensitive ears. All right, enough talk. Let's install this shit. Install, stupid easy. You've got these two donut looking adhesives, you'll put them on the back of each speaker. You've got the dual lock, which you will put on the unit itself, and one on the helmet. So throw one on the helmet, make sure it's cleaned before you put it on, then throw one on the back of the controller itself. From there, you can just Velcro it directly onto the helmet itself, so then you can pull it off as you go. Now you'll want to route all the wires through the helmet. It helps if you pull off some of the cheek pads and then put it under the liner to secure it. To connect your phone, hold the middle button on the controller for 3 seconds, and then it should show up in your Bluetooth. From there, you'll just click on Soundpro, and moving forward, it'll always automatically connect when you turn on the controller. Pressing the center button once will start and stop your music, and then toggling forward 1 click at a time, or backward 1 click at a time will turn up and turn down your music. Holding the wheel forward will skip a song, and holding it backwards will restart a song or go back a song. If you get a phone call while riding, just clicking the center button on the controller will answer the call. Lastly, a double click on the big button will give you Siri. Now let's test. Okay guys, so we were out on the bike. I'm gonna show you now just how easy it is to connect. So I've got my phone. So I'm going to hold this for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. It says power on in a nice little British voice, and it says pairing, and then it connected immediately. Now we're gonna hit this. Oh, and it stopped my video here because it's now playing music. So I'm gonna turn it up a bit. Turned all the way up, it's very loud. Easy. Some Kendrick. All right, let's ride. So guys, shout out again to Syphon Soundpro for sending this out. I'm gonna turn down my music so I can think. But yeah, install was very easy, as you could tell. So it only took about 5 minutes, if that. It probably took like 2.5 minutes. It took 5 minutes just because I was filming. But yeah, I really like this, guys. So I have used a Cardo in the past, and I really think they're kind of overpriced, and none of the functions ever really work super great for me. So I saw Syphon Sound. Some of my boys like Surge Neeks and Paul So Hard have it, so I figured why not reach out, give it a try. So shout out to Syphon for sending this out to me. All right, and let's see how this thing sounds at speed. So I'm gonna turn it all the way up. See if I can still hear. Oh, we got a red light. All the way up, we're flying, but I can still clearly hear the music. Obviously, if you have a gas bike, that's gonna be louder than an electric bike, but even with just all the wind noise, I can hear it great. Now, the helmet that I installed these on is a Fox Racing V1. So one thing I will say about that is the ear canals on a Fox Racing V1 or any type of really lightweight MX helmet are going to be smaller. So I will say the speakers are a little bit closer to your ears than if you had like a street bike helmet, but that doesn't matter. It's still super comfortable. There are cushions that you can use to put on it. I think they're called like the bass boosting cushions. I don't rock those though, because again, the ear canals on this helmet are super small. So we're just rocking the speakers, and feels pretty comfortable. So if you guys are interested in getting this, I'll leave linked in the description. The link for this headset. It's really so easy. You just literally set it up. It actually has a mic too, so if you want to take phone calls, you can. Can we pop up to a knee knock? Yep, we can. We got a little E-gang up here. Scooters. It's got turn signals on that thing.
Electric?
Yep, fully electric. That thing's sweet too. You got little turn signals on it too? Hell yeah. Dude, you're wearing the shiesty. They banned those. That's cool. You got the seat on yours too? But yeah, guys, highly recommend this. Link in the description.
Everybody watch, while I'm in a wheelie, I'm just gonna turn up the music. That's so sick. Yeah, he likes that. Just drop the throttle hand. What do we got, an R9T? Thruxton. Thruxton? Yeah, it's sweet, man. I like it. He must have Syphon Soundpro in too, because he couldn't hear me. He must have been jamming out to some music. Now you guys are gonna hear me singing in all my videos. Woo! Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, this install. Thank you again, Syphon Sound. These things are sweet. I can finally jam out while I'm riding again, which is pretty cool. But yeah, I got plenty of videos to come still, guys, so stay tuned. I will catch you next time though. Woo, peace.